Today is September 13th, 2025. We're here at the range. We're going to test a couple of things. We're going to test the Palmetto 15-round magazines for the Glock 43X. We also have a couple new slides for the Glock 43X. Then we're going to give that a try. See if they all work. So first we're going to go with the stock setup for the 43X. Going up, gun is loaded, gun is hot, on the line, fire when ready. So this is the stock version with the stock slide. Gun is cleared. We're now going to remove this slide. Drop everything while we do it. We're now going to put the extended barrel slide on. And we're going to now place a Palmetto magazine with the 13 rounds. Gun is loaded, gun is hot. We're now testing. We don't know if the gun's gonna blow up or if it's gonna work. Magazine works, slide works, so we're good on that. Next slide is we're gonna check out, gun is cleared. Next slide is the compensated with the red dot. I'm gonna try the other Palmetto magazine. Gun is loaded, gun is hot. Fire when ready. This is not sighted in, so I have no idea. Red dot works. I would say both slides are successful. Good to go. Gonna break down the gun now, it's cleared. And